In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create inventory products in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what each field actually means, so your inventory is set up accurately from day one. Let's start by heading to the Products and Services list. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu and click on Sales. This is where QuickBooks groups everything related to customers and items you sell. Once you're in the Sales area, choose Products and Services. This opens the full list of items you already have set up, and it's also where you'll add new inventory products. To create a new inventory item, look for the New button, usually near the top right of the Products and Services page, and click it. You'll see a list of different item types. Select Inventory. If you don't see inventory as an option, it usually means your QuickBooks Online subscription doesn't include inventory tracking or it hasn't been turned on in the settings. In that case, you may need to upgrade your plan or enable inventory features before continuing. Now you'll see the Product Setup window. Start with the basic product details. In the Name field, type in a clear, descriptive name that you and your team will easily recognize. If you use stock keeping units, or SKUs, enter a unique SKU so you can search and track products more efficiently, especially if you have a lot of items. Next, pick a category or create a new one. Categories help organize your products, making reporting and filtering much easier later on. You can also upload an image of the product. A photo is optional but very helpful if multiple items look similar or if different team members manage inventory. Next, enter the inventory-specific information. For initial quantity on hand, put the number of units you currently have in stock for this item. Make sure this number is accurate because it affects your inventory value and financial reports. Set the A's of date to match the date that quantity was true, such as the date of your last physical count. Then add a reorder point. This is the quantity at which QuickBooks will remind you it's time to reorder, helping you avoid stockouts. Finally, choose the inventory asset account that will track the value of this item on your balance sheet. If you're not sure which account to use, it's a good idea to confirm with your bookkeeper or accountant. After that, fill in the sales and purchasing details. For sales price, enter the price you charge customers when you sell this product. Then select the appropriate income account so QuickBooks knows where to record the revenue from these sales. Choose the correct sales tax category so taxes calculate properly on invoices and sales receipts. Under the purchasing section, enter the cost, which is what you pay your vendor for 1 unit of this item. Select the cost of goods sold account. This is where QuickBooks records the cost whenever you sell the product, which directly affects your profitability reports. You can also choose a preferred vendor, the supplier you usually buy this product from. This makes reordering faster because QuickBooks will automatically suggest that vendor on purchase transactions. Once everything looks good, you're ready to save. Click Save and Close if you're done and want to return to the Products and Services list. If you're setting up several items at once, click Save and New instead, and QuickBooks will save this product and open a fresh form for the next one. That's all there is to creating an inventory product in QuickBooks Online.